Happy birthday, Mar.
Hi, Kuya. Happy blessed birthday. At 60, you look great. Keep it up. Wishing you good health, joy, and many more years of blessings. Thank you so much for everything, and will always cherish you in my heart. I also thank God for blessing you with loving wife and children. Enjoy your birthday. I love you. May God bless you all.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mayo. Sorry I wasn't able to come celebrate with you. I still wanted to wish you a happy birthday. May God continue to bless you, and may you have many more to come. Cheers to more happy memories. Bye.
Hey Kuya Mario, happy 60th birthday. Wishing you many blessings and I love you so much. Have a great one.
Happy birthday, Kuya.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mario. We love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mario. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mario!
Wishing you the best.
And a lot of laughter!
And as Mommy Lord says, study hard.
Study hard. Love you.
Hi, Paring Mar!
Hello!
Surprise! Bumabati kami sa'yo kahit na wala kami dyan. Age is just a number, but remember, you look younger than your age. You look 10 years or 15 years younger. Stay healthy. Stay handsome. Okay? And here's your kumparing Chody.
Happy birthday, pare! Marami tayong babalik ang alaala nung tayo magkasama sa trabaho. Magkasama tayo noong 1990 hanggang year 2005 nung ako'y iniwan mo. Hindi ko akalain na yung responsibilidad na iiwan mo sa akin kaya kong dalhin. Siguro kaya ako nagkaganito sa dami ng mga iniintindi. Mga naaalala ko nung tayo magkasama. Yung generator sumasabog. Nagkakasunog sa powerhouse. Enjoy na lang pare sa iyong karawan. Sana'y lumawag pa at darating pang maraming araw, years.
Yeah, more birthdays to come.
More birthdays to come.
We miss you, and then we hoping to see you guys soon.
Soon.
Soon, okay? Regards to
Ikaw,
your
pare.
lovely wife.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Your-
Happy birthday.
To your family. God
Yeah,
bless.
God bless. Bye-bye.
Happy 60th birthday, Tito Mar. God bless you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tito Mar. Wish you more success in life and good health.
Happy birthday, 60th birthday, Mar. Welcome to your new journey. Enjoy!
Enjoy your party, Tito Mar.
Happy party! Happy party! Happy birthday again!
Birthday, Tito Mar. God bless you po. May you enjoy this day po with the family and praying for more years of good health and wealth. Happy birthday. Enjoy this day po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mars. Sorry, I cannot come today for your birthday, 60th birthday. But I promise I'll make up for it.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
God bless.
More birthdays to come.
Love you.
Good health and more blessings.
Hello, Tito Mario. Happy 60th birthday. Wishing you good health and more travels ahead. Bye.
Happy 60th birthday, Mar. And welcome to the
club.
We thank God for our friendships through the years. Wishing you good health, wisdom, guidance, protection, and more birthdays to celebrate. May God continue to bless you and your family.
What a milestone. Big 6-0. worthy of celebration for a person who is hardworking and with a big heart. May God grant the desires and wishes of your heart. Enjoy the party. Cheers!
Happy 60th birthday, Mar. May you have more birthdays to come and more travels and more wonderful memories to come. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mario.
Happy birthday, Mario.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mario. I wish you good health and more blessing, more travels to come. Sana next time, makapunta na kami sa birthday mo.
Hi, happy birthday from Italy. We miss you and love you. Bye. See you soon.